Hi lovelies, these are some of the clothes I made during this my OMUGWO period. We're 10 weeks today, so I decided to post. These are the beautiful clothes I made for my customers this season. While in OMUGWO, no dull moment, I decided to be making these clothes. You can see the gown, the two-piece, trouser and jacket, trouser and top, and the jumpsuit, the rest of them. This is very beautiful. I decided to be making it instead of staying idle like that. I'm sorry I didn't post the video of the sewing process because I forgot to record, but I think I will still do a video on all the styles. Anyone that you choose, just choose anyone that you like and tell me the one that you want me to recreate and make a video on how to make it. I will do just that. Just look at them, they are beautiful. So since there is no video, sorry I didn't record any, but anyone you choose and you want me to make a video on it, I will do just that. These are the pictures and the videos of the ones I made so far. The rest I've not snapped. Once I snap the other ones, I'll still add them to it. Okay, so just pick the one you want, even if it's this Canadian sleeve, this blouse, anyone. See my baby, see her gown, I just made it. Anyone you want, just tell me. Just leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you. Okay, thank you my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. My new subscriber, if you're new to this channel, sorry, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I promise you that you'll get value. For some time I've not posted because I'm still in OMUGWO, but I promise you that once I come out I'll be giving it to you back to back. Okay, so and please help your girl to grow. Share this video so that it will get to other users and other people so that they will as well subscribe to my channel. Any recreation you want, please drop it in the comment section below, so that I'll be able to work on it and post to you. Also remember what I said, just pick any of the styles you want here, since I don't do any video, so that I can recreate and post a video on how to go about it. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Compliments of the season and happy new year as we enter the new year tomorrow. Thank you. I love you all.